What is up? What is up? What is up? It's that day where the rings dangle from the sky and I grab them and pull myself against gravity. Here we go. Started off with some vertical pulling in false grip. Today was a good session. I enjoyed it. Well, I enjoyed it because I'm some sort of sick masochist. I think most of us are. If you're watching this video, you probably are. But I got some PR, I guess, whatever you want to call it. You know, I don't really care about that. My best PR this week was the voiceover PR. But I did get some pulls right here. PR, I got 11 on this first set. A little bit of cheating. A little bit less than previous, though. I also got more false grip pulls in these sets than I have in sessions past. So it was a false grip pull progression. It was a pulls progression. It was good. But I spent it all there on the pulls. Everything else today was pretty normal. I really attempted to push myself on the last set of the reverse ring flies. Shirt came off, or sweatshirt came off. So I was trying to push it, really trying to push it on the ring rows as well. And when I hit a point of not being able to do as complete of a rep as I would like, then just keep going and count those as half reps. It's good. It's good. I did 3 sets of the false grip pulls. You know how it is with me, to the best of my ability until I slip out of it. And then we just keep going. And then my last set, my 4th set, I just kind of did some speedy pulls. Did a handful of them kind of in a chin-up orientation. The biceps do feel like they got some work in today, which is good. I know the rows do some work as well. But yeah. I took a picture of my back after this session. And man, my lat imbalance is insane. And I really don't know how to fix it. I'm going to need to put a pulley in the shop somewhere and fill a bucket full of bricks or something. I'll figure it out. Get some heavy weight and start doing pull downs on the left side and try to balance that out a little bit. It's crazy. It's like Hulk Hogan on the right and Pee Wee Herman on the left. Hey, it's true. It is what it is. So I'd like to fix that. It seems that doing, I get my terms mixed up, unilateral, like on a bar or on these rings like I'm doing right now, that's unilateral, I think. Anyways, it seems like doing that should have started to fix it, but it really almost looks like it hasn't done anything at all, except maybe increase the right lat in size these past couple of months, but the left lat isn't looking, it's sad. It's hermetic. It's a hermit lat. It's living in its cave. Hasn't come all the way out yet. So anyways, these are just the things I notice. Oh yeah, here we go on the fast ones. Just knock some out for the 4th set. Kind of chin up position. And I didn't do any cheating on this set. Just kind of slammed through some. I haven't done, pull-ups like this in a really, really long time. I sometimes throw them in as a 4th set. But I'd be interested to see how many I could do fresh. It used to be I could do, maybe 12 or 15 fresh. I wonder how many I could do now that I'm used to doing, 11 pulling in a hypertrophic way. All right, here's some rows, the biz We got 3 rounds of these rows, and then 1 round of rows on the left. I was hoping doing rows on the left these past couple months, maybe just 1 extra set might start to help, but sure as heck doesn't look like it. And then after this, the reverse flies. I'm just babbling. All right. I'm not trying to hit any more voiceover PRs. So send my best to y'all. Enjoy. Hope you're all doing well. Getting close to the end of the week. Blah, blah, blah. Peace. Vida você.
Oh, man. Ugh. 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 Fuck. Ah, peace. Ah, bye. Freedom will say.